Hi everyone. Today we're going to finish reading Fur, Feather, Fin, All of Us Are Kin. And again, this week we're focusing on non-fiction text, so we're going to be getting real facts and true information from the books that we read this week. So I will begin where we left off yesterday. Fish. Fish have bones plus gills to get oxygen from where it's wet. Some have shapes somewhat like salmon, trout, catfish, or pike, but some are shaped a different way. Such as seahorse, eel, or ray. Water dwellers. More water dwellers live offshore, in tidal pools on ocean floor. Some cling to rocks, while some float free, our sandy, salty family, with tentacles or fins or spines. Life underwater intertwines. Detritivores. Detritivores, so oft forgotten, die on things both dead and rotten. Worms and bugs make their dessert of rot into the richest dirt, underground or deep and dark. They're heroes of the damp and dark. From lofty height to humble base, every creature has a place, as well as needs like food, fresh air, a place of safety, nest or lair. And while we're different here on earth, in eating, moving, giving birth, common things make us complete. Minds that work and hearts that beat. And then I just want to read this note at the back. It says, all of us are kin. And we talked about what that means yesterday. I said, kin is a word that we can use to mean family. So I just want to read a little more about the meaning behind that. What does that mean? How are we the same? All of us, people and other animals, are like a big, diverse family. How? Not only do we share the land, water, and other resources of this planet, but our bodies have developed to work in many similar, sometimes identical, that means exactly the same, ways, from legs and eyes to hearts and brains. Maybe most important, people have desires and needs in common with many, many other animals. Safety, concern for our young, a proper home, access to food and water, and much more. To meet these needs, we need one another. Yes, animals need other animals. And not just as part of the food web. Hummingbirds need spider silk to make their nests strong and stretchy. Other birds need woodpeckers to make holes in trees for their nests. Salamanders need ground squirrels to make shady burrows in which to hide. Who do we need? We need earthworms and all the tiny bugs that make healthy soil so we can grow plants for food. We need bees to pollinate the plants. We need bats to gobble up grain-eating moths and mosquitoes. And other animals need us to pick up plastic bags and other trash that might look like food to them, to understand that poisons go up the food chain and therefore avoid using them, and to keep learning about the value of all life. There are countless ways that we depend on one another. We have many different looks, that's for sure. We have much in common. And as people, we can observe, understand, and improve the lives of all other animals. Lucky us. How are we different? While we have much in common, we are also very different. Most of the animal groups in this book are called classes. And then it goes on to explain the different classes which you learned about. So like fish, amphibians, reptiles, arthropods. So this is a really interesting book, but I really just like that part at the end because it does show how we are all connected. The many ways that all animals are connected to all animals, and all people are connected to other people and to other animals. So I really enjoyed this book. So I want you just to reflect on something new that you learned. Maybe you learned about a new class of animal that you'd never learned about before. Maybe you learned a way that some animals help other animals, or how we can help animals. So I just want you to reflect on that, and there will be some questions on the website that you can work on. All right, thanks for listening.